Glucoberry is the result of extensive research by professionals at Johns Hopkins University. These experts discovered a relationship between healthy blood sugar levels, insulin, and kidney blood sugar drain. Hello viewers, I am Roy and today I am going to review of Glucoberry dietary supplement. Glucoberry is a blood sugar support supplement with remarkable therapeutic effects. They enable the kidneys to eliminate excess sugar from our bodies by cleaning the gray mucosal substance that blocks the root. One capsule is recommended daily to achieve the desired result. Glucoberry contains extracts used for decades that come from natural fruits and herbs known for supporting blood sugar levels. Glucoberry can regulate blood sugar and solve blood sugar problems. Glucoberry is additive-free and has no gluten or genetically modified organisms. These natural ingredients are also free from chemicals like pesticides and fertilizers. Glucoberry manufacturers have certification from relevant health authorities in the U.S. for quality products. So, no artificial content will interfere with the benefits of this supplement. As a result, Glucoberry effectively supports healthy blood sugar levels. How Glucoberry affects blood sugar functions. When insulin removes excess sugar from the blood, it sends it to the kidneys. Researchers from Johns Hopkins University discovered that the kidneys have a particular blood sugar drain that sends unwanted sugar into the urine. If everyone has this organelle, why do some people have problems regulating blood sugar levels after eating the same amount of carbs as others? How did Dr. Mark Weiss solve this problem? He painstakingly researched natural fruits and herbs that dissolve the sticky gray mucus protein and strengthen the filtering power of the blood sugar drain. In addition, combining these natural ingredients to get the right dietary formula helped Glucoberry become an effective blood sugar control supplement. These natural ingredients support blood sugar removal when in excess. As a result, your body can eliminate extra sugar through the urine. Benefits of Glucoberry supplement. Removes blood sugar spike after carb-rich food. It helps normalize sugar levels. It has a 180-day full money-back guarantee. Developed by a seasoned health practitioner. It contains healthy plant-based ingredients. Does not contain genetically modified ingredients. Simple, secure, and easy-to-use website. Yields effective results in no time. Discounts and free delivery are available. MD/Process Glucoberry is a revolutionary solution that comprises the blend of nature's utmost powers to combat varying blood sugar levels. The natural ingredients are blended precisely, forming a convenient capsule, and are packed within a bottle as a monthly dietary supplement. In order to control the above-said cause of high blood sugar, the supplement is made potent with the proper extracts. Scientific ingredients in Glucoberry. The essential compounds in the Glucoberry formula make the users active with high energy levels by burning the glucose in cells and preventing the sugary fat deposit, making people obese. The supplement with the clinically proven blend helps in improving kidney support and boosts blood sugar drain functions, which in turn maintains the blood sugar levels in an optimal range. Thereby it prevents users from the risks of entering the diabetes range. Where to buy and pricing of Glucoberry. The official website has 3 different packages of Glucoberry to offer to its customers. 1 bottle or a 1-month supply of Glucoberry costs $59. 3 bottles or a 3-month supply of Glucoberry is priced at $147. Here 1 bottle will cost $49. A 6-month supply or 6 bottles of Glucoberry will cost $234. Here 1 bottle will cost $39. The main website is the safest place to buy Glucoberry, because any other app or website may be selling fake and gimmicky products under the same name and appearance. Is Glucoberry safe? Glucoberry has been manufactured in an FDA-approved facility under strict and sterile conditions. It has also been tested by third-party laboratories for safety and purity. What should I do if it does not work? Glucoberry will work for you, but you should claim your refund via the official site if you dislike it. Contact customer support, and your refund will be processed immediately. The manufacturer offers a 180-day money-back guarantee. If the supplement is not reacting as it should, you can simply return or replace the product. So there is nothing to lose. You either get treatment and a life-changing experience or your full money back. Glucoberry Nutritional Supplement is a one-of-a-kind, doctor-designed solution for people struggling to keep their sugar levels in control. There had been no product before it that blocked fat accumulation across the pancreas, letting the kidney perform its function with ease and efficiency. It provides robust control over your blood sugar levels and promotes the health of the pancreas. After watching this review video of Glucoberry supplement, if you buy it and get huge discount offers, so buy only from official website, you cannot find it on other online stores or e-commerce websites. Thank you for watching.